Mount a camera on the exterior gable aimed at the door and interior glass surfaces to secure your greenhouse and protect valuable plants and equipment. Place the camera high on the exterior gable so it has an unobstructed view of the door and the main glass panels. Choose a model rated for condensation and wide temperature swings because greenhouses create humid microclimates that fog lenses and corrode electronics. If the greenhouse has power, run a weatherproof conduit or use a locked junction box and test voltage drop over the cable run. Size a solar panel and battery to supply continuous power during short winter days and cloudy spells. Set the field of view so the door is centered and the interior glass surfaces are visible at an angle that reduces reflections, and aim the camera slightly downward to avoid sun glare at sunrise and sunset. Use scheduled recordings tied to the active growing season to save storage and focus on times when theft or damage is most likely, and set motion sensitivity lower for routine plant movement from fans or vents. Secure the camera housing with tamper screws and lock any external junction boxes, and periodically wipe lenses and check seals during high humidity months to maintain clear images. A common mistake is mounting too low where plants block the view, which you fix by selecting the gable or a high eave position to keep sightlines clear. Another issue is picking a standard outdoor camera that fails from internal condensation and rapid temperature change, so choose condensation-tolerant specifications and add desiccant packs inside housings when possible. People also forget reliable power and rely on batteries that die quickly, so either hardwire through conduit, install a properly sized solar system with battery backup, or place a mains outlet in a weatherproof enclosure near the greenhouse. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like greenhouse security. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, product experiences, and local contractor recommendations.